Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. As you can see, guys, today we have a lovely guest and she's my colleague, Nelisa. And I would like to thank her for joining us in my channel. So today it is the day where I'm doing her face and it's her first time doing a colorful makeup. Thank you so much for trusting me with your face and, looking all good and stuff. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, just keep on watching. Hey, that is us again before the look, and we're just saying our hellos. So there is nothing much that I did with her face before, just to tell her to moisturize, because you always want to moisturize your face before anything. So she went on with her skincare routine already, and now I'm going in with the You Better Work primer. You guys, this is my holy grail. I mean, even the Maybelline baby skin one is also like my fave. So I'm using this primer because it's not too drying, more especially this time, like during winter times. It's not too drying. It is not, I don't know guys, I don't understand the consistency of this, but it's like very, I feel like it's hydrating. I don't know. But I feel like it's okay for winter. So I'm going in with an old spoolie that I washed from my old mascara, and I'm just gonna brush off her eyebrows. And then I'm going in with this pencil. It's like dark brown pencil, and I got it from the streets. I got it from the streets, you guys. I'm just gonna be like drawing hair like strokes. Why am I out of breath? Whew, breathe. Okay, so I'm just drawing hair like strokes and following her eyebrow shape. You guys, I didn't really shave her eyebrows because she's not a makeup person, and the next thing I shave off her brows and she's gonna be left with nothing. Like it happened with my little sister. Like I was trying to tweeze her and I accidentally just shaved everything, so I didn't want her to experience that. So I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this one is in color 30. I know it's white, yo. I know it's too, how many shades, like 4 or 5 shades lighter than her. That is because today we're going in with color. If you know guys, when I work with, okay, well, almost every day I do this, but I usually prefer to use a really white base for my eyeshadows, more especially if it is I'm going in with bright colors. So yeah, that is what I used on her brows. And above her brows, I'm going in with the foundations that I'm gonna use on her face, which is my Chestnut. Was it Chestnut? No, it's, I used Cocoa Maybelline Superstay 24-hour wear foundation, and I went in with the color 360, the Fit Me range, to mix that up so she can a little bit have a match. So y'all, that is what I'm using. And as you can see guys, I am using a flat brush to do that. I just, a disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist, nor do I claim to be one, and y'all, I'm just like doing this for fun. So if you really like watching this, just keep on watching until the final end. If that makes sense, until the end of the video guys. So we're just playing with makeup, we just playing with colors. So I'm going in with this Hermosa Flor, guys. I always like use this baby, more especially the color that I just picked as my transition, which is the angel face. I am going with that using my blending fluffy brush that I got from Discam. It's by Color, the brand. So as you can see you guys, I like to lift eyebrows, more especially when I'm placing this color, so that I can have a great transition. Also, just smooth blending. And yeah, so now I'm going in with, what color is that? Is it Contoured? What color is that? Yeah, the brown shade that is there on the palette, I forgot the name. And I'm going in with a smaller blending brush. This is as well from Discam, and it's by Color, and I'm sort of creating her crease. Like y'all, she has space on her eyes, but I always like to go a little bit above her crease line, like, okay, a little bit above my crease line as well, because I feel like it gives you this lifted look. It makes your eyes wide awake, and it gives you space for the lid colors to pop. So the next thing that I'm going in with is this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think this one is in color creamy beige, and I had her look up so that I can determine where her crease line is. And whatever you do, girl, if you are following this step, make sure you do not draw your crease line behind that line, because I swear it's gonna like mess up your look. So you want to make sure you put your line right on that line, the one that we created, or above a little bit, not really above, yeah. So I'm just using that to, create that crease, just, fake it all until you make it all. I don't know why I'm happy today, guys, but it's a very good day. It's a lovely day. It's a nice winter warm day in Limpopo, so it's so nice. So that is that with her eyes drawn, and I feel like she looks like an ant. I don't know, she's gonna kill me for that, but yeah, at this stage you just need to trust the process. So I'm going in with this pink color on the Hermosa Flor palette. Is the Glow Gang palette, y'all. So I'm just gonna use the brush to pack it and use the other fluffy brush to do that. And we're going into the second baby of the collection, which is the White Lily collection. I'm just gonna take Chastity. I hope I pronounced that correct. So I'm just gonna use that to define her outer part of the eye. I just love a bit of dimension. I could have used pink all the way, but I feel like I needed a bit of dimension, just to blend the two eyeshadows together. You need to make sure that you blend the in-between shadows, so that you can have that smooth blend, guys. Like, it will change your eyeshadow game. So I'm going in with this very black LA Girl gel, and I'm using the pencil that it comes in with. I'm just gonna draw a wing liner, guys. I was doing everything outside her comfort zone. She never had wing liners, she never had colorful eyeshadow, and I like the fact that she actually just let me do my thing. She was not even complaining. For sure in her heart she was like, this girl, what are you doing, woman? So, but she didn't restrict me or anything of such. So to coat her lashes, I am going in with a mascara from Maybelline. It is the Maximus something. Yeah, the purple one, guys. It's by Maybelline. If you want to check it out, you can just go to Discam. I don't know if Clicks has it, but it's so nice. Like, it's not too messy. Like, it coats everything. So, guys, yeah, I'm actually laughing because
You open? Yeah, they open.
oh my god, guys, her lashes were just not sticking. She couldn't open her eyes. It was funny.
Lashes on in my life.
It was just funny. It was like, yo. So it's her first time applying.
Okay.
So she just looks weird, guys. Like, she can actually be on the final destination of, I don't know with what number. Do we have 7 already?
No, I sure, I'm never gonna do this thing again.
So I did try to fix all that using a spoolie, just to make. So you guys, she was like, I fixed that using the thingy, the spoolie, and just to make sure that she can actually open her eyes. This essence glue, guys, it takes time to dry. I actually took 15 minutes, which I think I should have stayed for 20 minutes for it to stick and not water on her eyes for that incident to happen. But anyways, let's continue. I'm using foundations that I mixed for her brows, which is the Maybelline, the Fit Me, and the 24-hour foundation. I mean, the Super Stay. So I'm just going in with the foundation and, to cover her face. I tried to match her chest because she had 3 colors. Her face was different color, her neck is different, and her chest has a different color. So I tried to match with her neck. It looks a little bit lighter right now, but the final look is gonna be amazing, y'all. So I went in with the wedge as well. The wedge sponge to blend everything, just to make sure that everything is covered, more especially underneath her eyes. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm pretty much highlighting the highest points of her face, literally where the points where when you look at a person, they come through more, which is your forehead, your under eyes, your nose, your chin, and your upper lip. So I'm going back to that wedge sponge. And guys, if you want a plug on the sponges, you can just go ahead. And this cam, I swear, y'all, this cam didn't sponsor this video at all. It's just that I buy most of the things there, and I feel like it's easier to buy things there. I don't know. So I'm not sure if Clicks have this things. I haven't like went to Clicks in a while. So yeah, these sponges, they come in like, there are too many inside a pack, and they're very cheap, and they are like soft, they're really gentle on skin. So I went in with that, just to make sure that everything is blended. So now I'm going in with this Black Radiance contour mini palette, and I am going in with a darker shade. I'm not sure if this palette has actually a code or something. I'll just check it out. And I'm just using a brush to place everything that, just to contour. Contouring, you actually are bringing shadows in, so you are sort of, how do I say this, you are like hiding the features that you don't want them to show more. Like, if you want to reduce your forehead, you may want to contour your forehead a little bit like lower. So that is what I'm trying to say. Actually, it also brings dimension back to your face, so shadows and snatching going on. So the powder that I'm using right here, it's the mixture of the Black Radiance powder, and I mixed it with banana powder by LA Girl, and I'm just slightly setting that. Guys, we are not baking, it is winter, okay? I don't think people should bake during winter, so I really was getting carried away a little bit, but I was like, stick to the plan, never bake, because she's gonna crack her face. So I just lightly set her highlight just like that. And now I'm going into the Hermosa Flor palette. Watch me use this palette, guys, for literally everything. So I'm going in with that palette, the same color that I used for, what did I use it for? That brown color. I don't know what the name of the color. I think I should just research on that. And I'm going in, I blended her nose, and then went back to the palette and took the highlighting shade. Well, it's meant for the eyes, but I used it as my highlight. I highlighted her nose and her eyes because I thought it would look cute. What do you guys think? So I think this step was actually supposed to be after the setting of the contour, but I was carried away. So now I'm going into the palette. I'm going in with the color called Contour It, and I'm gonna set her contour, guys. Literally, this palette has every shade for everything. So don't kill me. Your girl is like a multitasker. That makes sense. So I'm just using the brush that I use for her foundation to set everything, just to bring the chocolate back to her face. And I'm going back to the highlighting color right there, and I'm just gonna like glow her cheeks. It's not really showing on cam, but guys, this color is pigmented. Like, you can literally glow for years, So I went into the pink that we applied on her eyes, and I'm using that as a blusher. Lord, I know, right, guys? Like, I feel like that pink, like when you lightly place it on the cheeks, it really looks so great. Like, I feel like it's so beautiful, guys. It's so nice. So I'm even dragging a little bit of that into her forehead, just to make sure that everything is nicely blended. Now I'm going back to the gel, the very black gel that I used for her eyes, her wing liner, and I'm just like smoking out her lower lash, and going back to the pink as well as to smoke out the lower lashes. So yes, guys, and I am using the smaller blending brush. I pretty much use the same brush throughout. I just like wipe everything off. I would actually encourage you to buy different brushes if you are not comfortable with that, but that is what I use. So I also went with the shimmery shade for her inner corner, and now we just doing her hair and stuff, like let's do a high bun and stuff. Can you guys see already how beautiful this queen is looking? She is like magic. I feel like, guys, I'm not really like praising myself. I really feel like I did a great job for someone who doesn't do people's faces like in an everyday basis or like in a time basis. I feel like I really did a good job. So we're just tying up her hair. I look a bit heavy-handed, but I'm not. I'm just like rolling the hair to just have that high bun in a way. So I feel like it would actually bring out her features if we let her hair look like up. So I am going back to the palette, y'all, And I am going to use the dark shade, the dark brown shade, to actually create a lip liner with that. Guys, don't kill me for this, but I feel like it also looks good on the lips. So as I said just watch me use this palette for pretty much everything. Like if you do not have a liner, you just gotta find a way to use things. And yeah, so this is what we're doing. And I went in with a gloss, no, this is a, what is it, design lippy, and it's a bit orange, like an orange color. I went in with a lip gloss. I don't remember where this is from, but it's a pinky gloss and it looks really beautiful. I just wanted her lips to glow, to have like a little bit of nude thing, look lip, my god, nude lip going on. So here's the thing here, guys. I know, like, I use things that are not supposed to be used. We didn't have a gel, so you know what I did? I went in with a soap, which created a white cast around her face. But it's not really bad, but like I feel like if we had a gel, it would look a bit better. So yes, we used soap. To be precise, we used Protex. So yes, that is what happened, and that is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget that I upload every Tuesday and every Friday, and also please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Please help support my channel. Please tell your friends and your mothers and your grandfathers and your children and everyone to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.